Okay, so let's get started, guys. We are continuing with locating information. On the reading test, you will see a variety of questions. The questions test your ability to identify the following: details, main idea, find specific information, and understand how facts and ideas are linked. So you should be familiar with the different question types and how to answer them. So if I give you a question like, how are you, right? And then I say A, good, B, bad, C, fine, D, okay, right? This is called multiple choice because you have a few options, right? So there are some questions that are multiple choice in the IELTS exam, right? And there are some questions where you have to fill out the blanks where they'll say, so they'll do, let's write them quickly with this example of how are you? I am like this, right? And this is called fill in the blank. So there are questions like that. Or you can say, how are you? And then I am doing, and then you choose from like an option or like a little box of things. So there'll be fine, and then there'll be random things: cat, school, walking, and then you have to choose which one. Okay, you have to go, okay, obviously I am doing fine. So that's also called matching. Those are matching, where you match to the answers, right? Okay, so those are the different types of questions. That's what I wanted to introduce you to. Now, in the following exercises, you will read 3 reading texts. If I'm not mistaken, it's not 3, it's 2. So get ready for 2, okay? And please note the types of questions that they have. All right, so I will get you back on question types as well. By the way, guys, I only am chatting to Cindy, but I see there are 7 more students in my class. So where are you guys? Please say hi in the chat. Yeah, don't be shy. Don't be shy. Please say hi. I always say this to children. It works with adults too, right? Don't be shy. Say hi. Okay, so here's an example of a question type. You see, this one has matching of the headings. So here you have lots of headings. Lots of headings are names, right? And then here you have where you put the headings. So for example, I'll just do this one for you. What is color blindness is number 1. So you would use the same Roman numerals to write your answer. So 3. Okay, so anyway, then that's basically the paragraph that has a heading now. So the heading is this one. What is color blindness? Technically, this is like a subheading or a heading for the paragraph. The whole reading is about color blindness. So the whole reading is actually about color blindness. Okay, but we have 5 paragraphs here. So guys, I'm going to let you do some reading now. Okay, you are needing to locate some information. There are 5 paragraphs. I'll give you lots of time to read, but have a look at these multiple choice questions you'll have. Okay, I want you to look for this when you read. When you read, you need to see people who see color normally are called what? Right? People who see color normally are called what? All right, so look for that when you read. And then you can do the next two as well. Children usually begin to see a variety of color by what age? I feel like this is like a show, you know, the Who Wants to Be a Millionaire? I don't know if you guys know this show, but it was very popular. They would ask a question and then you have to answer this question. If you get it right, you get $1 million. So yeah, is it A, 1 month? Is it B, 4 months? Is it C, 1 year? Is it D, 4 years? So have a look at that. The keyword is children, begin, variety of color, age. So those are your keywords. You've learned how to find keywords already, right? Children take the Ishihara test must be able to what? A, B, C, D. So, okay, guys. Yeah, and then we can also do one more, but this one, we'll only do one. We'll only do number 9 here. It is a common that only men suffer from color blindness. It is a common what? That only men suffer from color blindness. Here's your box. You see this one, this question type is called summary completion. Okay, guys. So yeah, let me know in the chat if you have any questions. Do you have any questions, guys? Do you understand what you're going to do? So now you're just going to read and try and locate that information.